how to set up your Pantum P2507W laser printer with a MacBook using a USB cable. So this cable comes with the printer. Connect one end to the printer and the other end to your MacBook. There are two methods to use this printer. You can use it over the Wi-Fi network, or you can just use with the USB cable. Go to your MacBook, click on the system preferences, go to the printers and scanners, click on the plus button, and you will see Pantum P2507W series USB. Select it. Once you see the add button, click on it and click continue. Your printer series is showing up here and we can start using it for printing. So let's print a document. So I'm just going to print it. Click on the print icon, select printer, print. Let's see the print result. So that's here. This way we can do the setup of the printer and then we can start using it for printing with your MacBook. Thanks for watching.